This piece I'm making is used for an adjustable bolt and nut. The bolt and nut need to be able to slide side to side, so this piece is being made for that use. Right now it's doing a adaptive clearing approach to machining, running a 1/4 inch end mill at 3000 RPMs. That's a 4-flute carbide end mill. It's fairly stiff for its size and it works pretty well. As you can see, I'm blowing air at it. This is to clear away the chips so it doesn't chip pack or do chip welding. And now it's finishing up its adaptive clearing on the second step down. After this, you'll see it does a what's basically a 2D slot pass contour move, and that's what it's doing now. This is going to be for the actual bolt, the threaded area of the bolt that it goes through. The previous area it was doing with the adaptive clearing would be for the nut. So you see in just a moment here it'll be finished with that, and I will switch to a 90-degree chamfer mill, which is also in 1/4 inch. I'll do a tool change here. That tool is really nice to use. I don't have to run a file or anything like that. I can just run this tool. Knocks off the sharp edges, dresses up the part, and it makes it a little easier to work with as well. So I really like using that tool. It really helps speed things up. Another feature the part needed was 2 drilled holes at the bottom of it. So for that I'm using a number 25 drill bit at 3000 RPM and a 12-inch per minute feed rate, with a total of 2 drilled holes at a depth of 600 thousandths. Here you can see it's doing the second hole, and once it's finished it'll go back to its parking position at the end of the program.